I can't just wish for something that's never gonna happen. There is no perfect job, perfect family, perfect guy.
I can say I've been perfect.
You're coming with me.
You're kidding, right?
I've got a regret. Please don't hold it.
This woman held me at gunpoint and brought me to this house as her hostage.
Is
anyone out there? Help.
I hope you're not expecting much from Santa. A federal offense probably puts you on the naughty list this year.
Can you bring me love? Oh, Santa, bring
The world premiere of Holiday in Handcuffs, Sunday, December 9th at 8/7 Central. Part of 25 Days of Christmas, only on ABC Family.